Hi, I'm Mike with the National Weather Service in Chicago. It's about 6:45 a.m. on Saturday morning, March the 1st. Thank you for joining me for this multimedia briefing, and we'll take the next few minutes to bring you up to date on the latest forecast information concerning snowfall, which will be returning to the area later on today. We are expecting snow across all of our forecast area, beginning this afternoon and continuing through tonight for northern areas, and beginning this evening and continuing through most of Sunday for southern areas. We're concerned about reduced visibility, which may be down to a quarter or half mile at times, snow-covered roads, and very high accumulation rates with values of between 1/2 and 1 inch per hour possible at times. The timeline for snowfall across the Chicago area looks like this. We should see snow develop late this afternoon after 3 or 4 p.m. By 6 p.m. or so, we should see a marked increase in the intensity of snow, and our greatest period of concern runs from about 6 p.m. until around 3 a.m. During this time, we may see periods of moderate or possibly heavy snow with accumulations of 2 to 5 inches within this time window. Snow will diminish in intensity as we go beyond 3 a.m. and continue through daybreak on Sunday, with some minor additional accumulation possible. It is also important to note that we could see a little bit of light snow linger through Sunday morning, and we'll also have the potential for lake effect snow showers Sunday through Sunday afternoon and possibly Sunday evening, which may bring additional light accumulation. Unfortunately, there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding whether or not these will move their way into northeast Illinois or remain focused towards northwest Indiana. So stay tuned for any updates on that for tomorrow's snowfall. For the Rockford area, things will occur a bit earlier as snow will be moving in from the west. Light snow will get going early this afternoon, with our greatest period of concern from 3 p.m. until about midnight, and that's when we may again see periods of moderate to possibly heavy snow at times, with accumulations of 3 to possibly 5 inches. Snow will wind down with minimal additional accumulation as we go past midnight and towards 6 a.m. on Sunday. In total, from when the snow begins later on today through Sunday evening, we should see between 4 and 6 inches of snow across most of the area to the north of that white line, but areas from roughly Pontiac over to Kankakee over towards the Rensselaer area and points south should see a little bit more, possibly 5 to 7 inches, because they will see a longer duration of snow, with snow continuing through much of the day on Sunday. There is a winter weather advisory that has been issued in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon through 9 a.m. for these northern areas north of that white line, and areas to the south from 9 p.m. tonight all the way through midnight Sunday night going into Monday morning. So that's over 24 hours. Again, that's a very long duration where we're expecting snow to fall, and so that's where we're expecting the highest amounts. With poor road conditions expected across the area, it's important to be prepared should you become stuck on the roadway. So here's a list of things that may come in handy should that happen. You can also check the various websites for current road conditions across Illinois and Indiana. Once again, it's about 6:45 a.m. on Saturday morning, March the 1st. Thank you for joining me for this multimedia briefing. Forecast information could change at a later time, so be sure to check back to our website, weather.gov/Chicago, or NOAA Weather Radio or local media for the latest forecast information. Thank you.